was just kidding, okay? Now, let's welcome on stage our M1 CBAC children with a huge round of applause.
Fatale! La bomba! Allarma! Bellissima! Celebra, bellissima! Celebra, bellissima! Celebra, bellissima! Celebra, bellissima! Celebra, bellissima! Escúchame.
Gayatri, from now onwards, we should not only be careful with only college students, but should be very more careful with our M1 children. See how stylish they are.
Zahi, Parinita,
Hi.
Par, Sunanda, Ishita, Nishchit, Sai Karan, Ronak, Ved, Punya. There is one person who is fond of dreaming. And one day, this person had dreamt to build his own new world in which there is only full of love, colors and hopes. And one day, he got fulfilled his dream and he named it as Chitrakuta.
He is a very passionate person and has passion towards growth. He believes mistakes are meant to correct ourselves and problems are the mere opportunities.
He himself a performer, and it won't be wrong if I say he's the sole reason for today's event.
So friends, please put your hands together to welcome on stage our beloved principal, Mr. Chaitanya.
Welcome to the auditorium Pratibhangan. Pratibhangana, Pratibhe means talent. Angana is the place where it resides. Pratibhangana, we want it to be a place where talent will blossom, where talent will flourish, where talent will reside and sustain. I would like to take this opportunity to thank two people who are solely responsible for this auditorium to be materialized today. If children are performing in this beautiful state-of-art auditorium, and if we parents are sitting down and watching it, there are two people whom I would like to thank for it. Mr. Puttraju and Mrs. Vijayalakshmi. I would request you to please give them a big round of applause. But for them, it wouldn't have got materialized. I would like to tell you, when you saw our teachers dancing or our children dancing, you would have seen the smile on their face. Somewhere down the lane, the smile, the laughter, the love, the enthusiasm has been the fuel which has been running this Chitrakuta. That has been our energy. Everywhere you see laughter, smile, you have a different feel attached with this word Chitrakuta. I would like to thank the extended support the staffs are giving, the ayahs, the drivers, the teachers. I would like to acknowledge the support given by Bimba, Mrs. Sushma, Mr. Kashyap, Mrs. Brinda, Mr. Shobha Venkatesh. All of these people have stood behind this as a pillar to run the show. Friends, God is a very weird guy. When He made lot of creation, for every creature, He gave one key strength for every creature. Maybe for a dog, a keen sense of smelling. Maybe for a snake, a keen sense to listen. Peacock, art to dance and exhibit its beauty. Kogile to Kuhu to showcase the beautiful voice. But He combined everything together to make a species called human being, where we can sing, we can dance, we can fly, we can swim, we can do everything. We are a bundle of talent. I just hope this Pratibhangana will be one place where we can showcase this talent, where we can nurture this talent, where we can feed this talent and help it grow. At least not curb this talent if we can't do more. Friends, today we are venturing into having a play by M3 students, a drama from M3 students, children of age 5 to 6. Maybe it's a kind of a play never happened with this age group before. So friends, please give a big round of applause as I proudly present the drama, Jadoo the Piper.
Want to tell you a story of a city having its own glory. It was ruled by a king. It was ruled by a king who didn't worry for anything. Why? People were happy all seasons. They sang and danced for no reason. Something unusual happened in the city. Not less than a calamity. Oh my God, what a pity. What a pity. What was it? Rats. 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 They fought the dog and killed the cat. Rats. 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 went to the king to complain, but did not know how to explain. The king asked, "What? What? What? What?" This is how we start.
Rats, rats, rats. They fought the dog and killed the cat. Rats, rats, rats. They stole the mice and stole the hats. Rats, rats, rats. Rats, rats, rats.
The king ordered, "Hit them! Catch them! Burn them! Kill them! Hit them! Catch them! Burn them! Kill them!" But alas, rats only increased, the people's hope decreased. Announced a prize, which was bag of gold. To get rid of these rats, no one stood bold. No one stood bold. No one stood bold. No one stood bold. What was that? Where did the music come from? His clear long coat from heel to head, half is yellow, half is red. He is tall, he is thin, sharp blue eyes, each like a pin. Who are you? Why have you come here? Come on, tell us. I'm a piper with a charm who plays music and does no harm. If I free a city of rats...
Wait.
Did we hear it right? Perfectly right. Everybody's face brightened, but the piper questioned, "What do I get in return?" "A bag of gold," said the king. People said, "Anything." Without any greed, the piper agreed and started to play the music, and people saw the magic. Rats came out of their hiding, walking, running, tumbling.
Rats, rats, rats. Big and small, black and brown. Rats, From step to step, they followed dancing. Piper came back smiling and started speaking. I have finished my task. Now, may I ask? Give me my prize. Why do you look surprised? Prize? What prize? A bag of gold, as you told. Oh, is that what we spoke? Come on, Piper. It was just a joke. The Piper's face fell and he cried, Please, don't take me for a ride. Hey, Piper, don't act smart. Take a coin and just depart. The king was very unkind. Anger rose in Piper's mind. I will make you ask me sorry. It is your time now to worry. This time the Piper played a different tone, to which the children started to follow the Piper unknown. All the little boys and girls with rosy cheeks and teeth like pearls, tripping and skipping ran merrily after, to the wonderful music with shouting and laughter. As if they were turned into blocks of wood. King and people could not hear the music. Only then they were released of the magic. Then all the people began to cry. Where is that Piper guy? Where is that Piper guy? Oh King, please praise him. Without children, life is dim. King had learned his lesson. He hurried towards that direction where the Piper had gone. Children were dancing and playing. There came the tired king searching. Forgive my behavior. I should not have treated you in that manner. Please give our children back. Why bag of gold? I'll give you a sack. I am not here for what you pay. Better if you mend your way. Now that you repent, you will not resent. Take the children and go away. I will go on in my way. Please, Piper, don't you live. All you want, we will give. I have come a long way, searching for a happy land where every girl and every boy work and play hand in hand. Everybody accepted the Piper's offer, and they lived happily ever after.
was extraordinary.
Let's give them a huge round of applause.
Now we shall introduce M3 C-Batch children names. Hasmita, Sanvi, Sujan, Shreyank, Pratyush, Vashishta, Archit, Tanmaya, Veda, Agastya, Kushala, Vijayaditya, Mrunal, Sindhu and Hiten.
Now I shall introduce the names of D-Batch children. Pawan, Manish, Kauli, Dhruti, Jaishnav, Harshil, Prajwal, Namrata, Monish, Monisha, Yashas, Suchi, Trahi, Riddhi, Akshita. Thank you.
Akshit.
जिंदगी मेरा गाना मैं इसी का दीवाना तो झूमो तो नाचो आओ मेरे साथ नाचो गाओ I am a disco dancer I am a disco dancer ये लोग कहते हैं मैं तब भी गाता था जब बोल पाता नहीं था ये पाँव मेरे तो तब भी रखते थे जब चलना आता नहीं था नखों की मस्ती गए मेरी जवानी में है डांस मेरे लहू की रवानी में यहाँ मेरी हार यहाँ मेरी जीत यही मेरे गीत तो झूमो तो नाचो तो मेरे साथ नाचो गाओ I am a disco dancer I am a disco dancer
This is how we celebrated our New Year.
They really rocked the stage.
So let me introduce our M2C batch children names. Abhineet.
Hi.
Gyan. Kiranmai.
Hi.
Kushi. Nagendra. Paritosh. Raksha. Shrishti.
Thank you, sweethearts.
Parents of programs. But let me tell you, until we finish program, we are not going to send any one child. So please don't force us to receive your children.
Gayatri, there are hardly 2 more dances left. Definitely, where will they go? They have to watch and they will really enjoy this show. Last week, yes, I saw South Africa versus India match. You know what I liked the most in that? How the audience, people cheered the players.
What's new in that? Even we have a huge audience and even they will encourage our players.
So let's learn how to cheer.
Yes.
Audience, please repeat after us.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on.
Come on. 1, 2,
3, 4.
1, 2,
3, 4.
Now Mola, it's your turn.
Yes. 1, 2.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round of applause for them. Good, good.
They are very alert. It is really very nice to see audience participate like this.
Then why to wait? Let's welcome our M1 D-Batch children on the stage.
With a huge round of applause.
You're my pumpkin, pumpkin, hello honey bunny. I'm your dumpling, dumpling, hello honey bunny. Feeling something, something, hello honey bunny, toko, toko. You're my pumpkin, pumpkin, hello honey bunny. I'm your dumpling, dumpling, hello honey bunny. Feeling something, something, hello honey bunny, toko, toko. How many times baby love had given me missed calls? What to tell you, lazy left no battery at all. Idhar udhar heart bouncing like a ping pong ball, 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 ball. Ring, 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 ring. Hello honey bunny, feeling something, something. Hello honey bunny, you're my pumpkin, pumpkin. Hello honey bunny, toko, toko. Choosing your battle, pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, oh, oh, and if you fold it up, hey, hey, samina, mina, sangalewa, cause this is Africa. Samina, mina, hey, hey. This time for Africa. Listen to your life, this is our motto. Your time to shine, you'll win in line, y vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Go on and see them, this is your moment, no hesitation. To face your day, to feel it. You pave the way, you believe it. If you get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, hey, hey. Samina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa. Samina, mina, hey, hey. Waka, waka, hey, hey. Samina, mina, sangalewa. Anawa, ah, Samina, mina, hey, hey. Waka, waka, hey, hey. Samina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Africa.
I'm here on my journey, biggie, biggie, mama, one A to Z. I see people on my journey, biggie, biggie, mama, from east to west. I see waka, waka, my waka, waka, my and this is the Mazibuye, but this is Africa.
Sixer!
It's a 6 and our umpire has already declared it as a 6 and now it is your turn, audience, to cheer these players. Come on.
1, 2,
3, 4.
1, 2.
3, 4.
Thank you.
Now let me introduce the names. Archit. Hi.
Archit.
Arya. Avni. Jeet. Twisha. Vinati. Yukta. Anchal. Dikshita. Pranay. Thank you, sweet little bubblies.
दिल के द्वारे सपनों की शहनाई बीते दिनों को पुकारे दिल के द्वारे.
Wow, so beautiful. The song is so beautiful that I started remembering my school days. If I see these children dancing on the stage, I remember where I danced on my school days. Definitely, Gayatri, our children will remember this beautiful day in future. What do you say?
Yeah, sure.
So let me welcome on stage our M2D batch kiddos with a huge round of applause. Gayatri whether truly they'll remember us in future or not. But definitely they will remember our school and school day.
Like how you did now.
Yes. Thank you, sweethearts. Now I call upon the names of DBAT children. Dhanush, Dhanvi, Grishma, Pranav, Sagarika, Veer Jain, Yashas. Thank
Give them a
you.
huge round of applause. And showstopper,
What do you mean by showstopper?
creator of the show.
Oh, you mean creator of the show? Yeah, then I know. We are able to put across this program because of one lady who is tirelessly working for the theatre activity in our school. Now it's my privilege to call our theatre teacher on stage. At the same time, the teacher's dance was choreographed by Sushma. Now it's my privilege to call on this Pratibhangan stage. Friends, please put your hands together for Mrs. Brinda and Sushma.
Now an interest towards children and theatre. For the first time, she has directed children play. And both Chitrakuta and Brinda are very happy for this opportunity. Ma'am?
Good afternoon, everyone. So, theatre is like teamwork. So, that we see in Chitrakuta. So, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our principal, Mr. Chaitanya, our HM, Mrs. Joyita, and Dr. Kashyap, who gave his valuable inputs for this play. Then I would like to thank Mala ma'am and M3 teachers, especially Shweta ma'am, Shweta Parekh, Pallavi ma'am and Gayatri ma'am, who rendered their support during rehearsals. Then I proudly thank the students of Chitrakuta of 4th, 5th, 6th grade who rendered their beautiful voices for this play. And last but not the least, I would like to thank these beautiful kiddos who put this play in front of you. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Sushma.
Sushma ma'am. She is a multi-talented lady. So please put your hands together for Sushma.
It was nice to see everyone dancing here, and I'm very, very happy that Chitrakuta has its own stage because I was involved. I mean, 3 years I worked here, and we could see we were so tense and we were so worried where to perform, and now we can easily fix the dates and do the school day, and even children will be more comfortable to do it here. I'm very happy that the principal, the headmistress and all the staff members have made it successful, and the show was very nice, and even the teachers danced very well. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think we have come to the end of the program. What happened, Gayatri? You look so sad.
It's almost end. It was so fun altogether.
Yes, you're right. But we have to end. And you know what? It's good to have an end for a new beginning. I know, my dear parents, we have enjoyed this show very much. We both have enjoyed so much. I hope you two all have enjoyed more than us, isn't it? Did you hear anything?
Little bit.
I did not hear anything. Could you all please be more louder? Very nice. Now, I would like to personally thank our children for their enthusiasm and also thank all our dear parents for encouraging the children and joining us on this special occasion.
And we also thank our principal and HM for giving us such an opportunity to celebrate this festival all together. And a special thanks for our staff, IMRs, drivers for helping us throughout this show. And also I should thank Mr. Kashyap sir, Devraj and Ashok for helping us throughout the show with lightings and sounds. Thank you all once again.
There are a few announcements. Parents, I need your kind attention. how long will your children take time to change their dress at home? And how patiently you will wait? Now your children are changing their dress. Only then they can come with you. It may take some time, so I request you all to continue to be seated in your places and wait for our announcements. The school will be called off tomorrow, that is on Monday, on behalf of today's school day celebration. And even we teachers need some rest after this big bang.
And I request all Fremont children to leave the auditorium along with their parents. I once again thank you all for joining us today.
Thank you so much.
And I also request all elderly people and grandparents to leave along with the Fremont parents before the others join. So thank you all. I know you people don't like to leave auditorium, but still.
Our Pratikabhangan effect is like that.